I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Airtable to make.com in under 2 minutes. So let's get to it. So we're inside of make.com. We got a brand new scenario here. The first thing we got to do is just add the Airtable module. Doesn't really matter what you pick here. We're going to go into the connection and we're just going to go ahead and click add. For the connection type, you want to just go ahead and select the OAuth connection and name this whatever you want. We can just say this test connection. We'll just open up the advanced settings here and we'll need the client ID and the client secret just for good measure. Airtable actually has some really great documentation on how to set up all your connections, so I highly recommend you check this out. What we're doing today is the connection with OAuth, and basically all we need to do is this section down here for actually getting the credentials. So if we're inside of Airtable, the thing that we need to do is come up to the top here and go into the Builder Hub. And on the left-hand side in the panel, you want to make sure you're just in the OAuth integration section. We're just going to register a new OAuth integration. We'll just name this the same, test connection. And we just need the redirect URL. And this comes from the documentation right here. You can see, enter the name for the integration, and we're just going to copy this URL address. Copy this here, go ahead, paste it in, just go to register integration. Name is set. We actually don't need the tagline, the homepage. We don't need a logo. We have our client ID, so I'm just going to copy this, and I'll come in here and paste the client ID. And then from there, all we need to do is click generate client secret. Go ahead and click generate. You're only going to see this once, so make sure you write this down if you think you might need it again. I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to leave this open for a second to make sure I have it. And before I do anything else, we just want to make sure that we give it the proper scope. This is basically just giving make.com permission to access our Airtable database. And I'm just going to click these right here and not worry about the rest. Come down here. We don't need anything else. I'm just going to go ahead and click save changes. You can see on the bottom, it says changes saved. And so now if I come back into make.com, just go ahead and click save. Our little window is going to pop up here and it's just going to ask us to add the bases. And I'm just going to click add all resources. And this is going to add all current and future bases and all current and future workspaces. So basically anything that we have now and anything that we create in the future, make.com will have access to. Just going to go ahead and click grant access. We've verified the connection. And now if you can see here, we can click the base. We basically have access to all of our bases inside of Airtable and you can start creating. If you found this video as helpful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out this video up here where I show you how to automate LinkedIn using make.com. I'll see you over there.